Happy Monday, English 1 students. Today is March 1st. This video should be pretty short, so I'm going to get going with it. The lesson overview, I'm going to keep having to move myself. I'm going to go over the assignments for the week. We're going to look at some implied metaphor examples, and then that's it. Okay, so it should be pretty quick. So your assignments for the week, as usual, you have this video and the quiz that follows it. And you do need to pay attention to this video because the questions on this quiz are connected to the video. You have the Poet X4, okay, which is on Edpuzzle, and it is already posted to Google Classroom. And you have in-class assignments that we do in class. So please come to class and you'll get answers. You'll get to learn how to do the assignment if it's tricky. You can ask questions live. So please keep coming to class. Attendance was pretty bad last week, okay? So it is very, very, very important for all of you to come to all of your live classes, every single one of them, okay? So please do that. If you have any trouble logging on or anything, please reach out for help. All right, we're going to be looking at implied metaphors, okay? And implied is important. Implied means it's subtle. It's not very obvious. It's not on the surface, okay? But they're still metaphors, which means they compare two things, okay? And again, they are not always obvious. So we're going to look at two examples. The first one is the woman barked at the child on the bus. You might not see the metaphor right away because you aren't really thinking about it, but this is actually comparing the way a woman shouts to a dog barking. Okay, so we're still comparing two things, but it's not obvious. There's no dog mentioned, but we understand that barking is the noise that a dog makes, not a woman, or so we're comparing the way that she spoke to this child to a dog barking. We're going to look at another example. It sure is roasting today. So this is comparing the hot weather, okay, which it doesn't say anything about weather that on the surface, but we know that implicitly it's talking about the hot weather. And food roasting. We know that the word roasting is a word that we use when we're talking about cooking food, okay? So we're comparing the weather to food cooking or roasting, okay? Again, it's not super specifically obvious, and you might not have even thought that was a metaphor at all, but it is. It's comparing two things. All right, those are my two examples. If you need to, rewatch this video so that you can get the answers right on the quiz. That's it. Be safe, wear a mask, and please keep coming to live classes. I will see you on Tuesday or Wednesday.